afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Anytime you take come across my video, I say good afternoon. Please, if you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, my people, if you know say you dey new to my channel, I better not fail to hit that red button when they there and all that bell down. Anytime when I post any video, you go be the first person when they go notify. Okay. So I don't come back again. I don't come back again and again. I know say some people go say wetin concern her for inside. It just concern me. So I go say wetin if concern them for inside when they put her for here. Kevin matter, yeah, Kevin matter. It concern us. As far as say they not cut our neck, it concern us. Me, I not come here call talk about I not come here call Christopher whether not Christopher Kevin. I not come here cause support Kevin. You understand? Because I not feel crucified because not be Jesus Christ. So that is it for now. My message to everyone where they carry this. Since I look this year, not only one woman. I don't want to make sure the woman name. Only one woman don't talk true. Don't talk with you after this my ear say. May they not blame only Kevin. Now only that woman feel stand by Kevin. We not go blame anybody for this issue. A lot of people they will be say don't do the one way who was past Kevin. Not because Kevin come out now. This one go post. This one go carry on. Katarina go still carry on. This one go still carry on. I still join people when still they carry on. But make I still talk my own. This cap I wear am because of Kevin. I wear this cap because of Kevin. Kevin, my use Benin tongue take call you. Hey Kevin. Hey Kevin. Hey Kevin. 3 times now I call you. 3 times. Me I not say what you do good though. I not say what you do bad though. But I not can support anybody for you. You understand? I not can support anybody. Imagine when you say you know if you say you don't know that woman, you know whether na woman or man, you never know one. For even if they find that kind of thing where you want to, you for you go meet Bob. Bob go all clean you where? You will not say yes. Now Bob you just deal with. You go your clean you, your body. You don't see that boy when he get long neck. Now so my house see long go. Now so my house see long, but my own not call log reach that boy home. You don't see that boy when get long neck. The few time when they go stay with Bob, Bob clean now. If you see the boy when he go come out, you know say yes now Bob be there with. You just go stay with person. Person tell you say because you see say you still get. If you say you go leave money for dry, may you go carry. You say you go leave money for dry, may you go carry. You not go leave money for dry. It don't wise. You know before I come to that extent when you go get that house, go get money. You know what people don't show. So it don't wise. He just still use you to promote the channel or use you to promote the life. Although shall you don't be celebrity. Kevin, my brother, don't be celebrity. Kevin, my brother, don't be celebrity of Susan. You don't be celebrity. Who not know you before I go like me go find your picture? You be celebrity like that now. In the wood they tell you I'm a celebrity. I'm a celebrity. Celebrity of an enemy. Celebrity of da. So you don't be celebrity. You will go stay with him. The one way you copy me, you go stay with him. He can't give you basket. When they take the basket, when they take the carry dog, can't give you me you put your load. When you come say I want to go and carry my load, I want to say I want big wardrobe. You won't go up one, then you pack your thing. I don't know say na basket, it cost still give you me you take put your things. I don't know say na basket. And my message to that woman too. You say Kevin don't boss your hoe. Not be Kevin start to the boss and you don't first start and tete. You don't say when you start and not be Kevin. Not be even Kevin. And now maybe as this one happen now, don't say na Kevin really doing. Don't take when you don't start all those things. What you call pay me for Kevin say person tell you say now so me bio na man na bio. You say no say na there you want still day. You say na there you want still day. You say now there you want day. And a lot of people they talk hey Kevin this one, Kevin that one, oh, Kevin this one, Kevin that one, Kevin this one. Na start. Many people they will be say go shoro. They'll say na shoro they go na lie. Now all those Ogbonisan, they go they carry. Now all those one, but because Ekevio come out now, oh yeah, akberere. Because Ekevio come out, I know they support Kevio. I know they support Kevio. And me, I know here can support Kevio. I know yes, I know come here can support the woman, not come the woman man, not come here can support him. I know see come here can support Kevio. You understand? I no support any of them. I not say wetin Kevin do bad or wetin Kevin do good do. I no care to know. Since when they carry this issue? Kevin. Now only one woman. And that woman, anytime when I watch a video, although some people they say the woman not do this one, woman, the woman they always they talk truth. If they stand point. Now only one woman, I just fit to say, waiting. A lot of una don't do the one way worse past Kevin. Not be saying I'm mad. Most of una don't do the one way work past Kevin because a Kevin call leak now for media. What it make Kevin also be like that because the woman a social media man. You understand? Now social media man. If Kevin no say go resolve to like that, as if you just go there go meet and you tell us I not like this kind of life. Oh, I not be media person. You suffer remove yourself. And he go tell you say in the video yourself. Now you in the video. It's not good. When I see this, I feel for you. And when I see they carry this matter, I'm gonna drop and down. Me, I still join no because as I post this video, as I do this video, so I don't still call your name. You understand? But I must talk my own. Waiting me won't sit on. I'm gonna still drop this matter down because if Kevin do one thing today, maybe God not let Batty up the boy go hang himself. Now still carry on. Why go hang himself? Who they laugh? You know better pass who they cry. I'm gonna still drop and down. Wanna drop that because all this thing wanna they carry and go Kevio, this one, that one no. If it cause you know in memory no go the think well wait till go call the thing na babatin which kind life is this so. And man Kevio I want ask you one question. On a big get, on a family they live well. Wait till you call they fine. You want just it you get paper. Wait till you define. Wait till you define when you copy say na man like you when you call say and it cause tell you say na robber na him get robber. He get the day when I see the woman for Facebook where they dance I can't drop comment for her say as you see this so as you mature so your breast is stand I not believe say na normal breast. Now wait till I comment for her. This thing I said last year but look at this year and I don't prove it say in na real robber breast. I beg, but we drop this matter. Kevin, you don't make mistake. You can say I won't go pack my load. I won't go back my load. If they tell us say this is not what I expect, because yes, this is not what you expect, because you be expect say go put money for draw, may you carry, may you they go. You know say go lead to all those things. You know say go lead to all those things. Kevin for not evolve himself. Kevin for not evolve himself. He no say go lead to all those things. I pity for Kevin where I pity for although a family they live where. Kevin a person when I know him. Don't be say if he don't know me because me I know the great that I know the if he don't know me but I know where Kevin is. Kevin their family the toxic person they eat well. Their family they eat well. For the one when I know for inside they eat well. I don't know what Kevin define. I want be big boy. I want be superstar. I want be this one. I want get my own. So you say that is not what I expect. So then I want to go and pack my load. You say go leave money for you. For waiting those suffer. You go your dropper for draw. You your reader your carry. You know say. As you just read there for the first time, when you say you're the fair, they say, when I want the kiss for media, you tell her, I beg. If na Oni you dey call am, if na Dali you dey call am, if na man like me you see dey call am, you go tell am say my man, I no vex so I no dey live this kind life oh, media life I no like am beg, I no fit show, but the woman dey tell me you love me, tell me you will die for me, deny your family. According to us, they say, deny, the tell Peter, say, deny Jesus. Deny Jesus. You understand? Say, deny Jesus. Now you go to tell you, now may you deny your family. For this 2020, when they on you enter, may you deny your family. May you talk say you love her. May you talk say you love her. as Kev because the clown they go up, I call the one that say, this boy go carry a load. As I reach that, the wait me open one wardrobe, he go make we all. I not see him. I say, what is this boy do so? Basket. That time when they stay with my grandmother. My grandmother go pack, go market, go buy all those baskets, come. Go buy and go say, this one for your dirty clothes, this one for your better clothes. That time, I did small. I say, this kind of basket it exist. I did get this basket that time. Now, they're not the people they use them for that side. They know what they use them they do. They go use them all those people where they sell firewood. They go use them pack firewood. They use them the basket where give Kevin, make Kevin they put your clothes. Basket where give you, make you they put your clothes. You go carry. They use them they carry firewood. Not those the day when they sell. Who know what they talk for Africa? Those they go use those kind of basket. They use them they carry the firewood. Go they put that for where they arrange and put. Now I give Kevin for abroad. Make you they put your clothes. I pray, Sha, say may you see through. May this one, may God see you through for his side. And what I go still advise you go hospital. May you go see check whether your body dey okay. Whether your body dey okay. In case anybody they say, Kevin, you don't carry, you see give the result. Say, I not be waiting on think, not be so I be. Because many people go to see you they run adult say you don't still carry. You understand? So that is it. And Kevin, I will still beg you. Not let any media thing where they go talk pra, make you come to think and say, and the next thing are to go commit what you know commit. Yeah, just leave on. Who they laugh, it better pass who they cry. You understand? It better pass say they cry you. It better say they laugh you than say they come they cry. You understand? Not let them be your downfall. Not let them be say and you call the ticker. And that woman, it just may not they mention Nigeria. They mention Kevin, Kevin. Not they mention Nigeria because not beyond Nigeria. As they call Nigeria, be like saying all Nigeria I offend you. No, not be Nigeria offend you. One person that make parable say now one hand of food, now they spoil food. You know me say Kevin do you this one I saw all the whole Nigeria be. And moreover, he pay me shall see you say you get the money, see a person when you call your mind look tata. And also all those dog. Now Kevin go they pack their shit, now I go they care for them. And that thing when you get, I believe say before you meet Kevin or meet on any other man, you don't they do all those dog. You don't they do all those dog. And if you be saying that dog make you contact, or now where you forgot they do those rubbish, now you for contact. It's not good. No, they mention Nigeria. No. If you be man, say if you be woman, say yes, say Kevin do this thing to you, or maybe this kind of thing happen. A lot of people go see support you. Kevin be not wrong you. Now when me for say Kevin call for victim, when he be say go be say, he can't go you tell and say this thing, this is what I am, or this is what I am, or I have this kind of problem, I have this kind of gonorrhea. Kevin say no, he wants to connect for his side. Say he wants to connect for his side. Then they speak English. This one is not what I expect. Oh. This one not be what I expect. Oh. This is not what I expect. What do you expect? You say go put money for a dryer, may you go carry, may you run come out. For where? You not go put. All those kind of people, you know, say if they dance for Facebook, if money go there with them for Esusu, you go tie that small bag. Almost all the video when I get, even the one at the kids for Palo, the one where go take pick you for airport, the one where be say go take pick you for where for you for drop, the one where be say when you be say una take get the quarrel when you dey climb upstairs say you want go pack your logo wear basket day. I got all the video. Now so it tie from. It tie near body because you know one make you thief your money. Because he go they wonder what is this boy see for my body. I be man. You send a plastic. You go una go see girl. I don't want settle down with girl when be say yes. Una will settle down with. Now all those see what it leads you to now. What it be your benefit now? You get, I hear say you get document. You get document. Your family they are living well. You not go say because say them which because you don't born where you dey train. Where be say you say if you not get the money you go die. When go be say a lot of boys still they will be say they do this kind of thing. God never expose them. God never expose them. I saw one for each side. He called the bridge. People call the say na all those Ethiopia, all those what is that they call them? South Africa, those people will be say from another country. They don't know say na our country. They don't know say na our Africa person too. When he call black finish now, if you see and once you tell no say CBF for come. What are we talking about? If you dey find man when you want just stay with him, want me clean you, want meet Bob, you have document, Bob will clean you. It will make you are. Bob go clean you well, he go make sure say he clean you. Although Bob never say in the duo, but we not come know the one way they whether they duo, whether or not they duo, we don't know. We dey see the way for the day when Bob go still happen. They call Bob now. Na woman now go get now. We dey wait for that day, that very day when Bob go happen. I will dey wait for that day. Hey, I know say something not the weak that one for body. Something not the weak for body at all. Even though say Bob, you just talk about na. Next tomorrow he go come and call dance for you. If you all talk about it matter na, he not go even mind you. The next thing we go come and go say your brother dey yaba. This social media will go disgrace ourselves. Now say go they talk. So people don't sit talk down one, they don't can put from one corner. Kevin, my brother, it don't happen. And my advice be that one. Just let go. But still try. Go to where they for they take all those things, all those hospitals. See go check. You make sure say you know say you dey okay. Forget what now what your needs now be done. Just forget what people will talk. So you don't make the mistake, you don't make am. So one thing when you do now, go the place, check your body whether you do okay. Then find woman. If you want settle down, settle down. Money not be everything. Even though you still get this money today, you go still the pursue one. You still the pursue another one, make you see go another one. People will get that money, you know what they pass through. Or even not get money, get rest of my past them. You know what they pass through. What's it with the talk? Your matter, social media, they go help you hang on. After they don't iron and finish, they go, if they don't iron the case finish, sure you know say if you carry suit go all those where they for the wash clothes, like the time we be saying when me and my husband do marriage finish, we carry the suit go, they wash and they iron and they call wear and that nylon where they wear suit, they call use angate holan. Now so social media they go iron and hold on, they'll come dry am for you. They'll come carry the nylon or wear and they'll come give you for us. Say, Kevin, take we don't iron your matter. You know, say your matter don't come up for social media. For now, they wait make the iron and come give you. Now say you're rich. So my advice to you, say, go to hospital, check yourself. Once you are okay, leave the rest. According to the same Italian people you get. May I speak Italian for you? Fai ospitare. Tu sei bene, va bene, lascia stare. Capito? Everything when they talk. Italia se non fammi niente. Non fammi niente. Così. Boh. So leave them, let them see. So that is it. For me, that basket, you form my hand. You form my hand, Kevin. You form my hand. Alright, yeah. So my people now say I just still talk and reach. Kevin matter, you know, say a lot of people they see the iron. My own, I don't iron, I don't dry, I don't see drop on. So now say rich, I not go talk am again. So Kevin, okay, ciao. So I want to tell you, my name is Katarina Golden Baby. If you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to notify. My people, I say if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, what till you they wait for? I beg, press that button and turn your bell on. Anytime I drop video, now you go first thing for your phone. I want to go. Thank you. And if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you for being the part of my family. God bless you until I come your way again. Bye-bye.